What if I told you? Uber's days are numbered. Tesla's Robotaxi is coming, and it might completely destroy the ride-sharing industry. No drivers, no surge pricing, just AI-powered cabs running 24/7. But is this the end for Uber? Or is it just the beginning of a new battle? Let's find out. So what exactly is Tesla's Robotaxi? Imagine a self-driving car that picks you up, takes you to your destination, and then drives itself to the next customer, without a driver. Key features. No human drivers needed, 100% electric and sustainable, operates 24/7, no brakes. According to Elon Musk, Tesla Robotaxi will be so cheap that it will cost you less than owning a car. But how will this impact Uber and Lyft? Uber and Lyft work on a simple model. They connect passengers with drivers and take a cut from every ride. But what happens when there are no drivers? Tesla Robotaxi's big advantages over Uber. No driver salaries, which means cheaper rides, more profit for Tesla owners, and fully electric with no fuel costs. Experts believe Tesla Robotaxi could completely replace Uber by 2030, but Uber isn't going down without a fight. Uber knows Tesla Robotaxi is a big threat, and that's why they're already working on their own self-driving technology. But the real question is, will they be able to beat Tesla at its own game? Future possibilities? Uber could partner with Tesla instead of competing. Uber might invest in its own autonomous fleet, or Tesla Robotaxi could completely take over. So what do you think? Will Tesla Robotaxi completely destroy Uber and Lyft, or will Uber find a way to survive? Comment below and let's discuss. Like and subscribe for more futuristic updates. See you in the future.